Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a junk journal supply haul for you. I was on the hunt for Christmas sheet music to use in my Christmas junk journals that I will be releasing the end of this week. Just be on the lookout for them. Check out the Etsy link down below and follow me along here on YouTube, Instagram, and favorite my shop, and then you will know when I put new things up in my shop. So I found a great deal on music this time. To start off with, I found this piano course, and it is an older kids piano book. It has really fun illustrations in it, and I'm not quite sure what year it was because it's made. They have it in Roman numerals, but the paper is definitely a fun vintage coloring anyway. So there's that one. It was 50 cents. I found this Golden Book Christmas Carols book that was from 1990, a reprint from 1942. It has beautiful colored illustrations in there. It was $1, but it was on sale for 50 cents. So this is just a one sheet one that's called Apple Blossom, so I thought that would go well in one of my journals. Here We Come a Caroling, and this was 60 cents. And that was from the 80s. Here is one that was 50 cents, and it was the Rubank Christmas Music for Everyone. So that's awesome. This one is called Let's Have Christmas Music for the Organ. Just a bunch of Christmas carols there. This one I love. This is the Nutcracker Suite. This is kind of creepy here. I'm not sure what character that is from the Nutcracker. I don't know if that's supposed to be the Nutcracker or what. I don't know. Anyway, it's cool though. This is really neat. I like the March of the Soldiers. And there's the Waltz of the Flowers. So that's awesome. I found this one. It's called Folk Tune Favorites. Not Christmas, but it has a lot of different songs in it. Very cool. And then this one is called A Boy and His Piano. I love the illustrations in here too. This one has lots of subjects that I can use for several projects. It's awesome. And then I found this, the Christmas Caroler, and just has some small pages of Christmas carols. Very cool. And I found some cards. These aren't vintage, but I just thought they would go great. I have the two Nutcracker journals, and if you would like to see one of the Nutcracker journals that I made, that was actually for a gift, but it's very similar to the one that's going to be in my shop, I will put the link down for the video that I just did for that. So here is one of the cards I found. It says Bring Me Your Nuts, and there's the Nutcracker on there, and then inside it says Get Crackin' and Have a Merry Christmas. I thought that was cute. So I found two of those at a thrift store, and then I found these 3 dog cards because I'm going to be doing a little Golden Book animal Christmas book. So I found that one. Thought that was really cute. And then this one, super adorable, and the envelopes are really cute too. So those will look great in a junk journal. And this one says Merry Christmas. And the envelope looks like that. Really cute. I also found a few more golden books. I found this Bambi book, really cute. And then the new baby. I think I have a one similar to this, I'm not sure, but so this will be something else that I work on for future journals. And then this one is a Home for a Bunny. This one's from 1989, so it's a little bit newer. I think that the Bambi one, let's see, it's from, well, it says it was printed in 1980 and then originally in 1941. So yeah, and then this baby one was 1962, no, 1990, so it's a little bit newer too. And then this was a book that I found for my daughter. She is a zoo major and I just thought she would get a kick out of it. It's funny, it's from the 70s, I believe. And this was also, it was $1, but it was half off, so it was 50 cents. But it has just funniest, I think it's, no, I thought it was 70s. No, I think it is it's 1959. But I just thought she would get a kick out of that. Of course, you know, you wouldn't want to have pets, wild animals as pets, but evidently they thought they could back then. So, it's fun. It was fun to look at the pictures. And then I found this Walt Disney's Alice's Favorites. The cover is really in rough shape, but I love the illustrations on the inside. This one was from 1973, but it has lots of fun illustrations. It's very cool. And then the last thing I found, this is from my father. He doesn't watch my channel, but he is an audio engineer, and so I just thought that this would be fun for him to look through. It's from the 1970s. Let's see what the actual year is here. 1974. But he like designs speakers and does all the sound engineering and stuff, audio engineering. So I just thought that would be fun. I think this is it looks like it is a textbook for a sound design class. So I think you will love that. So that's what I have for you this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.